Uh, Mercury Streamelements. Yep, that's the way it is. You don't need to go to the Mercury with rocket physics to do that. It's easy and it's free. Now, is it safe?
My dog stepped on
It's
a
made
bee.
by Stream Elements. Thousands of streamers are using it for years. So if you trust Stream Elements, it's safe kind of. You know, it's just like a trust, like you do trust Google, or if you don't, I don't care. I've been using Stream Elements for like around 2 years, and they seem, pretty legit. So, let's do this. First of all, come to this website over here. I'll put the link in the description just for your guidance. What the fuck I'm saying? LOG India. I mean, login. Yeah, just click on it. Don't. I'm high right now. So you will be popped with to your Gmail. I don't know, your Gmail basically. You select the one in which you have your mainly channel on. Just select it. And yeah, my channel is Cranetech, so I will select that one obviously. Even though I changed my name to Crane, but it still shows Cranetech, so it's never mind. And boom, we are logged in. Yeah, look at my channel analytics. Everything is red. Isn't it cool? Like everything is red. And you're laughing, you more. If this is your first time logging into Stream Elements, it will ask you for some access to your Google account, which is basically you're allowing Stream Elements to look over your YouTube API and pull data from it. You know what is API, right? Like how many views you have on your video, how many bitches you are subscribed to. I mean, this is the minimum access you have to give it to Stream Elements, right? To, make it work. I know you're getting flashbang, so switch to dark mode, I believe. Like, people are so addicted to dark stuff nowadays, dark chocolate. Here you can add your email for receiving, news about Mercury Stream Elements. If you want, just add it. This is how the layout looks like. There's so many things to discuss too, but I will show you only the things I like about this Mercury, because otherwise the video will get longer. Click on my videos and it will fetch all the videos you have: private, unlisted, public, right? Dynamic thumbnail. That's what I'm going to show you first. That's why you clicked basically. So for that, I already uploaded an unlisted video on YouTube. So click on edit. This is the dynamic description options, which I will discuss later. For now, click on the dynamic thumbnail right there. Boom. And you will be greeted with, this, right? Now go to the top left, select background, and select the thumbnail you already made. In case you're wondering what are these are my Discord emotes, so join Discord to use it. I mean, that's kind of cringe. Now hit open and it will take 3-4 seconds depending on your internet speed to upload the base thumbnail, and here it is. Now this is the base thumbnail I already made. I made it in Photoshop, so if you need a guide for that, I uploaded a Photoshop tutorial back 2-3 days ago. You can check that out if you want. Now we're gonna add some dynamic elements over it, so drag the text down there, go to the top left and delete that, and add video views on it. It might sound depressing. Now choose the font you want, but the only problem is you have to stick with the fonts they provided. Now select it to bold if you want, and select the color of the font like this, yellow black for me. To increase the size of the text, don't stretch it horizontally, stretch it like diagonally through the corner maybe. I don't know. I'm f***ing angry while recording this video for some reason, so I'm trying to be in sanity, checking different numbers to get the right size of the text. Just in case if you don't know, you can also add 10 subscribers as dynamic element in your thumbnail, So once you get the right size and she's happy with you, just click on preview and publish. That will show you a preview of it. So here, one thing to be noted, it gets updated in every 20 minutes, so don't need to panic. Just click on publish now. And we're not done yet. You have to click on apply to video to apply it. So just click on it, and once you see this green icon, that means it's applied successfully. To check it manually, go to YouTube Studio and you will find out that it got updated, uploaded, whatever you say, and this one number denotes that it got 1 view. I refresh here and it will be updated also, like in 30 seconds. Dynamic banner. Trust me, it's an OP thing, and I've been already using this dynamic banner in my gaming channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, you can subscribe, where I upload funny gaming videos once in a while, and we'll be uploading my Twitch highlights. So yeah, it's a cool thing to, like, a dynamic banner which just, keeps getting updated, which is crazy idea. Okay. The punchline is follow me on Twitch. I'm trying to reach Twitch affiliate. That's it. God damn. It's free. So dynamic banner. Just click on it. It will take maybe a couple of seconds, couple of minutes to load your banner, depending on your network speed and size of your existing banner. Okay, it's loaded. You can add 3 types of dynamic elements on it: text, milestone, and linear progress. I'm not gonna work out with text. I'm gonna use milestones. Like this. You can select your goal from 0 to, my goal is 10k, so you better subscribe so I can reach 10k. You can, select how many paths you want. You just adjust the size of it a bit, adjust the font of it. It's up to you. You can do this. The size of it, the color of it, everything. So I'm just like, whatever. I'm just doing a fucking moron commentary. So these colors, like finish colors and start color, it depends on your artistic eyes or your preference. For me, I tried a lot of colors, and at the end of the day, right now I'm sticking with like some kind of black and brown mixture, like this type of color. I like it. And as a finished color, I tested all of things, but I choose this green one. It looks the best. I mean, I don't know, that looks pretty decent, so I love it. So just, have patience, throw some music in your ass, and keep tweaking with it until unless you find your favorite font with a favorite color combination like this, and just, perfect size of it. If you wonder what linear progress does, it has a long ass battery meter instead of balls. They work both same, but linear progress have some glitches in it, so I stuck with the balls. Once you're done, hit save, and you will see a green colored LIVE. That means you're done, and you will see a preview of your updated banner. But when you do it for the first time, you have to hit save, and you're not done there. You have to hit on apply, right? And then you will see that green live thing. That means you're all good. Refresh your homepage to see the updated version of it, and it will keep getting updated, which is crazy. Templates. The future of the description, dynamic description. Click on right now, and here we have to make a template. First, name it whatever you want. This is the best name I can ever think. I'm gonna copy the description what I need. I'm gonna paste it in here, and I'm gonna add more. And now I have to add some dynamic elements to it, like, latest video. And now click on latest video, and the link will get updated time to time. You can add channel goals. You can add your latest subscribers. Shout out to Anvay K. Thank you for the sub. I appreciate that. You can also see preview. That's this template I'm gonna be using in my future videos, basically. So what are you waiting? Hit save. And here you will see we created the template successfully. To apply it, go to edit, template, select, and apply to video. Live, the green icon. You can set your YouTube subscriber goals in your description like this, whatever you want. But the best part is, like, every change you will make it to your saved template will be automatically applied to the videos. So you don't have to go through each and every video to change it manually. And here we are. So it got applied to my description, and I don't have to care about those dynamic elements. It will get updated automatically. But I'm kind of annoyed about the thing that you can't remove the views and the date from this. Shout out video. To be honest, this is one of the best thing I have seen to say thanks to your subscribers. All you gotta do is just, select what you want to source. For me, subscribers, if you have members, you can do that. You can set the timeline of it. You can say how many names you wanna show. For me, like, I'm gonna set it to 69, because why not. And you can set the speed of it, so it's pretty customizable. You can set the color of it, like the way, and hit save, hit render, And now I selected to 60 fps and I selected to WebM, so the file size is like less than 3 MB. And the render Shoutout, it takes around 30 minutes to render, I believe. But while you wait, I'm gonna show you the tipping system of this thing. So just type whatever message you want to type and add your Gmail or of your PayPal, and this is the page it will show. I'm showing you just for the sake of showing. I don't know if anybody does this kind of stuff and literally tips in those links, even though these are legit. Okay, so you can add if you want and just save the template. I opened the video 3 times and it's showing 3. So once your render is done, click on download and your file will get downloaded. So slap it onto your Premiere Pro timeline or whatever editing software you use. Change the blending option to apply it and you will see this, shout out thing. Thank you for all of you for subscribing. It means a lot to me. So if you like this video, please drop a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you want to catch me alive, follow me on Twitch. I'm very close to 50 followers, so let's make it happen. It's free. Come on, man, do it. And if you want to see some dank dying light memes, follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching. Good night, good luck, stay human. Bye bye. I don't still know that what's gonna be happening in the future with my GoPro. For now, I'm enjoying.